Hello everyone, today I am here with New Drug Veritrum album which means white. So the common name is white hellebore. The family is Melanthiaceae family or Liliaceae family. The prover is Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann proved this drug Veritrum album. He cures about 1/3 of the insane patients in lunar asylum. The constitution is it is suited to complaints of extremes of age, that is the disease of the childhood and disease of the old age people. The thermal state it is suited to chilly patient. Temperament is nervous or sanguine temperament, and the mechanism is SORA. So this medicine is mainly a shock remedy used in the collapse condition. So the shock that can be hypovolemic shock, surgical shock, the post-operative shock that is covered by the Veritrum album. The other medicine for the shock or that collapse condition, that is first that is aconite. Then you can give as per symptoms like camphor, carbovegetabilis or cuprum metallicum. The other medicine is Apis mellifica. Apis mellifica that is mainly used for the anaphylactic shock. Now let's see further. So in this Veritrum album, there is a rapid sinking of the vital force or that collapse condition. So now why there is a rapid sinking of vital force? So that is because of the profuse discharge. Whatever the excretions or the secretions from the body that will profuse or the copious into the nature, like the stool in the form of diarrhea, vomiting or the sweat. The stool that is diarrhea, that is in case of cholera, that will be a watery or the rice watery stool. Okay, and it will be copious into the nature because of the profuse discharges, or the diarrhea painful. So after the evacuation of this, there will be great prostrations after that evacuation. Now the vomiting is, so always there is a desire for icy cold water or the icy cold things or the drinks and the refreshing things. So refreshing things is also seen in the phosphoric acid. Now the stomach that is not tolerate the cold water, so as soon as the patient drinks the water, it is vomited out, or whatever patient eats, it is vomited out. So this kind of vomiting, this is a copious and profuse vomiting which is aggravated from the least motion or the drinking. Then there is a profuse sweating. There is a cold sweat which is seen into all over the body or especially over the forehead. That is the most important. The sweat that is a cold and that is all over the body, but especially more over the forehead, and there is a sensation of the lump of ice on the vertex. Then the main features, that is extreme coldness all over the body, the whole body that is so cold, the limbs are cold, or it feels like patient is dead. So that much coldness that is seen into the Veritrum album, though the patient is having desire for that cold things, and which is aggravate also, that leads to vomiting. So, and the second feature, that is the blueness all over the body, the blue lips, blueness of the face, the nails, fingers. There is a weakness, great prostrations, rapid sinking of the vital force. Why? Because of the profuse discharge, or in this form of profuse discharge, there is a loss of vital fluids that will lead to low vitality. So that cause weakness and fainting. Patient easily faints. Now why? So because of from the least exertion or any kind of emotions, so it is a great fainting remedy. So these are the features, or along with in the case of the shock, the features of the face. So there will be Hippocratic face, the shrunken eyes and shrunken cheeks, and the face that become blue. There is a blue ring around the eyes. So into the shock there will be this kind of features. It is especially for that hypovolemic shock when there is a cholera or there is a profuse discharge. So there is a loss of fluids in the form of that diarrhea, vomiting, or in case of surgical or post-operative. So there will be rapid sinking of vital force, the profuse discharges, then bodies become cold and blue, and the loss of fluid that leads to extreme weakness, and there is a easy fainting, or plus there is a desire for icy cold things or the refreshing things, and the sensation of lump of ice on the vertex. And there is a Hahnemann's trio of the cholera. So there is 3 remedies in Hahnemann's trio. One is the Veratrum album, second is camphora, and the third is Cuprum metallicum. Now into the Veratrum album, there is a profuse discharges, the diarrhea or the vomiting or the sweat or the discharges that are profuse. So that is the indicator of the Veratrum album. In case of camphora, there is a great prostrations, great weakness or blueness, coldness of the body. The body is cold, yet patient does not like covering. Patient wants to uncover his body, and all the discharges that are scanty into the nature. So in Veratrum also there is a coldness and blueness, but the main feature is there is a profuse discharge, or into the camphora there is a great prostration plus scanty discharge, and body is cold but patient does not want to cover. Now the third remedy, that is a Cuprum metallicum. In Cuprum metallicum there is no more discharge or not more prostration, but there is a more kind of cramping pain and the convulsions. So this is now let's see the mind of that Veratrum album. So it covers the 3 kind of mania, as Dr. Hahnemann used this medicine to treat the insane patients. So it is mainly used for that insanity. There is a 3 kind of manias that are seen into the Veratrum album. That is the violent mania of the belladonna, lascivious mania of the hyoscyamus, or the religious mania of the stramonium. So Veratrum album, that is a combination of all these 3 manias. So whenever you see the patient having this kind of mania, you can think of this remedy. First stage, that will be violent or the destructive mania. As it is destructive, so patient wants to destroy the things, okay, tears them and cuts them. Then the patient goes into the second stage, that is a lascivious mania. So what happened to this stage? So patient uncovers his body, wants to lie naked into the bed, expose the person. There is a desire to kiss everybody, or there is seen especially into the females before the menses. And there is a nymphomania also, the excessive sexual desire. Then patient goes into the religious mania. So patient talks all time about the God, or he is doing praying and beseeching and treating. So these 3 stages that are seen into the Veratrum album: the violent or destructive mania, the lascivious mania, or the religious mania.